హలో గాయ్స్, అందరికీ ఇవాళ మనం మళ్ళీ మిర్చిని ఆడుతున్నాం. ఇదేనా ఫస్ట్ టైం నాకు సరిగ్గా గుర్తులేదు, కానీ ఇవాళ మనం మిర్చిని ఆడబోతున్నాం. ఇది ఒక రోబోట్స్ గేమ్ గైస్. ఇందులో ఇన్విటేషన్స్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఫస్ట్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తారు ఒక చిన్న మ్యాచ్కి. నెక్స్ట్ తర్వాత వచ్చే లెవెల్ వచ్చేసరికి మన డివిజన్స్ పెరుగుతున్న కొద్దీ మనకి లెవెల్స్ కూడా పెరుగుతాయి గైస్. ఆ లెవెల్స్ని బట్టి మన మ్యాచెస్లోకి ఎంతమంది ఎవరు ఎంత పవర్ఫుల్గా రావాలో చూపిస్తారు గైస్. ఇప్పుడు ఇవాళ మనం ఒక 5 to 6 మ్యాచెస్ ఆడిపోతున్నాం గైస్. ఇక్కడ న్యూ అని చూపిస్తున్నారు కదా ఇక్కడ పైన. ఆ న్యూలోకి వెళ్తే మనకి ఏమేమి ఈవెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ ఈవెంట్స్ అన్నీ చూపిస్తాయి గైస్. బ్యాక్ తర్వాత ఈ గ్రీన్ కలర్ అంటే అప్డేట్స్. ఆ మ్యాచ్లో వెపన్స్లో అయినా అప్డేట్స్ ఉంటే ఇలా చూపిస్తాయి గైస్. కాకపోతే ఇవాళ నాకు అది యూజ్ చేయాలి బ్లూ కాబట్టి ఎందుకంటే నేను దీనికి ఈ పెట్టాలనుకుంటున్నాను గైస్. ఇవ్వండి గైస్, ఈ ఎలక్ట్రిక్కి పెట్టాలనుకుంటాను. అందుకని ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఇక్కడ చాలా వీక్ అని చూపించినా సరే ఇక్కడ దీనికి పెడదాం అనుకుంటున్నాను సార్. దానికి కాకపోయినా, ఎందుకంటే అది చాలా పవర్ఫుల్ గైస్. ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న వాటికన్నా నా దగ్గర ఇది చాలా పవర్ఫుల్ ఈ గైస్, కాబట్టి అవి పెడదాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. సరే గైస్, ఇంకా గేమ్లోకి వెళ్దామా? లెట్స్ గో బ్యాటిల్. క్విక్ మ్యాచ్. నాకైతే క్విక్ మ్యాచ్ 5v5 డెడ్ మ్యాచ్ 2v2 డెడ్ మ్యాచ్ ఉంది గైస్. మీకేమో స్టార్టింగ్లో కంట్రోల్ పాయింట్స్ మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు కరెంట్ కంట్రోల్ పాయింట్ క్లాష్. ఇప్పుడు అదే ఆడదాం గైస్. ఇది మాత్రం 15 seconds తీసుకుంటుంది గైస్. మరీ ఎక్కువ అయితే అప్పుడప్పుడు ఒక 20 కన్నా ఎక్కువ వెళ్ళదు గైస్ ఈ మ్యాచ్ తీసుకోవడానికి. కాకపోతే 5v5 2v2 డెడ్ మ్యాచెస్లో ఏమో 30 seconds పైన తీసుకుంటాయి. టోర్నమెంట్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి గైస్. దీనిలో చాలామంది వస్తారు. ఓకే గైస్, ఇది నాకు ఇష్టమైన మ్యాప్ గైస్. ఓకే, మన వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళిపోయారు కూడా గైస్. వెళ్ళిపోయి తిరుగుతున్నారు కూడా. సరే, మనకి అప్పుడప్పుడు ఇంటర్నెట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే ఇలాంటివి అవుతాయి గైస్. ఒక్క నిమిషం గైస్. హలో గైస్, మీరెవరో వచ్చేసారు గైస్. ఓ నో గైస్, ఆల్మోస్ట్ డెడ్. You are dead. Oh no. Without any kill we died. We are died. How can we leave in this match guys? We are almost to defeat. Oh no guys, how is it even possible to win this match? They are so powerful guys. How can we even win this match? Oh no. Kill him bro. చంపండి రావండి. అవ్వండి, మనం గెలవాలంతే. అదే మన గోల్ గైస్. మనం గెలవాలంటే ఫస్ట్ కంట్రోల్ పాయింట్స్ తీసుకోవాలి గైస్. కంట్రోల్ పాయింట్స్ తీసుకోవాలంటే వీళ్ళు ఓడించాలి. లేదంటే ఓడిపోతాం. Yes, revenge guys. Revenge will come at the time of when he killed me, and then with the next match if we kill him we will get that revenge icon guys. Now no, Oh, it's haunting me.
You have 2 minutes remaining.
Oh shit. Munna Bhai. This Munna Bhai is too powerful because he have those powerful icons. Means powerful weapons, sorry. Oh shit. No, they are lead. They are so much leading than us. Oh shit. Should drop our mini ball. Oh, killing.
There is 1 minute left.
Oh, we are defeated. Shit. First match to defeat us in this control point slash. Shit. Munna Bhai. Okay. I'm gonna friend him. Stay in team, guys. And the politics XP is more. Arena playoff event. Okay. XP is too less, guys. Shit. Yes. Next match. Today, this is our second match, guys. They told here down. Second one, they told to play 2 battles. Then we'll get 75 XP and green pallets. Oh, what happened? Yes, 1000 green pallets. The sponsored videos, right? I'll show you what is that. In this sponsored episodes, you will get the time of this last when we go to our arena after playing the battle. At that time we will get that. Expression. Oh shit. Oh, someone is here. Someone is. Oh no. Yes.
Identified.
Someone went to our den. No, I'm not gonna leave him. Oh shit, rockets waste.
Losing the lead.
Oh no.
Inputting fire.
Someone just kill. Yes, I killed him.
We have taken the lead.
But still he have the life to live.
Killing spree.
Oh no. You are gonna die. Oh no. No way, how can it even be possible? Oh yes. Hey friend. Because of you we are dead. He's too powerful. I should go too fast to there. That is the time to kill. No, it is not the correct place, guys. Guys, ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడి నుంచి అటాక్ చేయాలి అర్థం కావట్లేదే. Yes.
Humiliation. Well done, Ghost. Well done.
Victory heaven.
Dominating.
they will lead because they are occupying the center.
You have 2 minutes remaining.
Oh, kill him. Oh shit. Oh. Just hit them. But this is the right time to kill. Oh shit. Shit. They will lead in 2 minutes. It's a too easy thing for them. Kill them off. Oh shit. There are many members here. Oh no. We are gonna die. No.
There is 1 minute
We are
left.
not gonna die. We are gonna win. Kill it off. Take it in the place. No. Oh, okay, nice. Good friends. Good enemies. Now we are gonna die. Because
30 seconds remaining.
my special weapon. Special match.
Incoming fire.
Oh shit. Another. Shit. Oh shit. Yes. We are in the leading. In 2 points. Yes, I am the first. Yes, guys. One battle they won, enemies won, and one battle we won. Stay in team. Third match is gonna start. And what the hell? How can I get this many? 34 XP, too less for me. In this battle, I will speak in Telugu. 15 seconds కదా 10 seconds 11 ఎంతసేపు తీసుకుంటుందబ్బా ఇది ఏ అరే till 30,000 damage. Okay, it's my favorite map, one of the favorite. And my favorite is first. At the first they will give a map. That map is too favorite for me. I like that map because it is too easy to kill them with this much. Smooth operator. We got the name as smooth operator. We'll operate everything in the smooth way. The meaning is that oh, oh no. Yes, almost now. We are gonna die. Where to die? Nowhere to die.
Killing spree.
But
Well done, Ghost.
they are occupied.
Well done. In critical damage.
Oh shit! Why did I use it that? Oh, you muddy! You came to my place? You will not be alive. guy kill him.
Well done.
From where did you kill him?
Killing spree. Well done. Humiliation. Well done.
Oh, baby, you back again. Yes, calm down.
You have 2 minutes remaining. Smacked him. Well done. Smooth operator. Well done. Dominating.
Domination.
Well done. Cover me. Cash humiliation.
Humiliation. Oh shit, center. Faster. Speed up at the center. Speed up at
Beacon captured.
the... Guys, friends. Our match is done. Yes.
There is 1 minute left.
Oh no, we are at the lead. Yes, we are at the lead. Someone is coming.
Under the radar.
Under the
Well done. 30 seconds remaining.
Yes. Yes, guys. We won the match. The first level and third level, we are the winners. Nice. Okay, stay in team. Fourth match today. Damage. See, guys, how much damage we did. And how much Polit XP. Okay. Okay, shit. Because we didn't get proper things. After joining the game, we'll meet you guys. Yes, guys, this is also one of my favorite game, guys. But sorry,
Let's get things started.
yeah, screenshot. Okay, for this, I like to keep the buttons of
Incoming fire.
rockets because my favorite weapons are rockets. And triple rockets is my best favorite. Oh shit. Now only you should come, right? రాజుగా ఇంక నేను ఎలా ఉంచాలరా వచ్చావులే పెద్ద మీకు లార్జ్ హ్యూగ్ అంట పిచ్చి పెట్టుకుని వచ్చావు మమ్మల్ని చూడు ఆడ కంట్రోల్ కూడా చేసేసుకుంటున్నాం ఆల్మోస్ట్ కంట్రోల్ కూడా అయిపోయింది మీరు చూడండి ఇంకా
Humiliation.
ఇంత వీక్ ఉన్నారు
Ghost. Well done.
Oh shit.
Fire.
Oh shit. The last moment they came, your shit. Oh no. రే యువర్ హియరా ఓ షట్ ఓ దూరం ఉండాలి వీడి దగ్గర వీడు చాలా పవర్ఫుల్ నేను షార్ట్ ఉంటుంది ఓ వేసాడు ఓ రే ఓ షట్ షట్ how can we win this match? I think so we are defeat, but I will not defeat ever. Yes.
Identified.
Oh no, that part is gonna occupy by them.
You have 2 minutes
Our
remaining.
friend is gonna die. No, go fast match. Oh shit. Which weapons did he use for killing him? Okay. Yeah. Match is ours. As usual, match is ours.
Well done.
At this time you will run fast, but in other situations you will not run. Why is it too? Oh shit! Baby, kill him! Kill him! Yes! Same! Shit!
There is 1 minute left. We're losing the lead. We are running out of time. Incoming fire. Beacon captured.
Shit! Gosh! Shit! Oh shit! MC Lord use. I thought what is that name, but you was too powerful. Keep waiting. Yes. Oh shit. 4 games or 5 games completed. I think so 4 games completed. 5th game guy. Now we are gonna play. Oh shit, it missed it. Okay, nothing will happen. See guys, this is the sponsored bonus credits. We click this once, we will get 4,000. We should do like this 2 times. If we'll get 8,000 and they will give bonus as 3,000. So that I need it more. Oh shit! Why did I forgot it to take? I need it more. Okay, we'll take later. Okay, we got that a prize. We should see that. Oh, 200? Yeah, my favorite. Pink products. Okay. Oh, don't see it. Okay, guys. Ads. It's come every day. It will come every day. And now we are gonna go to our final match. Our final match is, guess the final match, 5v5 dead match. 5v5 dead match. Sorry guys, I will tell it like 5v5, but it's 5v5. Sorry for telling like that, but I can't pronounce it like that because I will get like 5v5. Okay, credit and this just spent more credit. I need more credits. Okay, achievements. Puma achievement. We got one. Puma. Yes. We got the golden chest. Okay, and 4 legs. I'll call it 4 legs. I don't know how to pronounce it. Its name. Okay, 2,500 credits. Okay, target seeker. Now the final match begins in 2 minutes. Now there's no one in online to play with them. Do you know? Here is my cousin. His name is KGF2 in this game. I think so, KGF, not KGF2. Okay, we'll check after the match completes. Now the game begins. But the video is too long. We'll meet after the match comes. Okay guys, I don't know about this match, but I will not down the match at slingshot.
Let's get things started.
This is the 5v5, right? Means we should kill each other. This is the match of killing. Oh shit. Oh Puma, someone dropped the Puma. Oh, yes, kill. Die. Yes. 1 all kills. Slingshot. Right. Yes, he died. Not because of me. Someone killed him. Yes.
Critical damage.
Somebody. Let's kill. Time to kill him. Yes, die.
Identified.
But at this time, I will not die. Hey, don't die there. Shit. Powerful weapon, no. Okay. You will bring the powerful. Then I'll also. Just kill Raren. Libra. Yes. Kill. You should die in this.
3,
Yes.
2, 1.
Good. Yes, first round. Puma. Oh shit. Why did I now? Why did I use it now? Oh, how dare you to kill me? Now you are gonna die. You are all gonna die. Oh, no, not. Yes. Oh, move away. How dare you to kill my friend? No. Don't try. Don't try to do it. Confirm. Here, he's gonna come. Check the time. And check again. Oh. It's not gonna be easy. From where did he kill back? Shit. తీసుకెళ్ళి ఫ్రీడమ్
3, 2, 1.
no, yes, round of victory. First, oh, yes, I got second. But this match, how can it come second? That is too weak match. Okay. Okay, now I want that bonus. I'm not gonna play again. Okay, guys, it is for today, guys, and we will meet in other game. Okay.
పడుకుని పీరియడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి